All right, this is a little bit of bonus content. And typically when we do bonus content, I get maybe a little bit nerdier.
Nerd.
And we weren't gonna touch on ArtNet in these videos, but if you're a lighting person, you know that ArtNet it should be the new norm. Lighting is really moving away from kind of this digital microplex world, which is an analog signal, into digital world, which is ArtNet, or I was gonna say Clang. Clang is an audio thing. Hang on, stop. So you're like aware that things are changing away from analog world DMX stuff into this digital world, which is ArtNet or CleanNet, or there's a few others. Here's some like real basic stuff about ArtNet. ArtNet starts at universe 0, and that's kind of important if you're gonna learn about ArtNet, that you need to know it doesn't start at universe 1. Inside your console, when you're setting up your patch and you're setting up your universes, anybody who's been in lighting for a while, they know that universe 1 is output 1 and universe 2 is output 2.
I like jumping from universe to universe.
Well, when we go into the digital world, that's not exactly the way that it works. So what you might want to do is you might want to make ArtNet universe 0 so that output 1 can still be output 1, output 2 can still be output 2. So ArtNet can be universe 1, 2, 3, or onward.
Morty, how many of these? Too many, Rick! Too many!
And this isn't really about ArtNet. It's more about just like introducing you to the concepts so that you can go do some more research. Now, we will probably get to it at some point, but we got a lot of stuff in the can that we're trying to do. So that's some bonus content about ArtNet. Go do some research if you're gonna get into ArtNet. Don't go in blind, all right? Hey, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, shoot me a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.